name is Albert Johnson. I worked on a job for 35 years, dumping bags, and during those 35 years, it messed up my neck, my back, and my legs, and they said that I would have to have an operation. So I came to this company called Sleepm, and they had the mask, the pad, and the pillow that I was seeking, and they said that it would help you and it would be beneficial for you if you would try the products. And I did. And I'm so glad that I tried the product, because the product do work. And out of all those years that I was going through that pain, right now, I could say to myself, I'm pain free. I could tie my shoes. I could lift my arms. I didn't have to have the surgery that they said I should have, because if I would have did all of that, who knows? I wouldn't probably be able to do the things and say the things that I'm saying today. And the product do work. Whether you have a neck injury, a back injury, or either the sights in your eyes is not going too well. I bought the mask, I bought the pillow, and I bought the topper. And I'm also buying the pad. And now I'm in the process of getting any other products that Sleepm coming out with. And I know that it's gonna be beneficial, and they're gonna be with the Biocrystal. And the Biocrystal, what I mean by Biocrystal, it is crystals that is grind up that you can't smell it, you can't taste it, but it's in every product that Sleepm distribute. And the distributors, by putting the Biocrystal in their products, it makes all their products worthwhile. And I know for myself, if it wouldn't be for Sleepm products, I wouldn't be able to function the way that I do today.
Welcome to Sleepm. Sleep better, live better.